Hey, thanks for joining our channel. I'm happy to see you here today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so right now by clicking this button on your screen. We work on cars, trucks, specialize in BMWs, we do a lot of travel, RVing, so a lot of fun content. In this video, we are still working on trying to resurrect our E90 2011 BMW 335 with an N55 engine. No signs of life so far. It's trying to turn, it's actually turning the engine, but it is absolutely dry. My assumption, of course, is that something is happening with the fuel system because I already ran a bunch of tests, spark plugs, coils, OBD sensor, and not showing any faults. By the way, if you had something like this happen to you, or you know of somebody with the same situation, that the car was driving on the freeway, went into a stall mode and people will never be able to restart it again, please tell me in the comments what happened and what the fix was, because I'm getting a bit puzzled here. As usual, recommended to disconnect your negative. Clean it up before you open your tank. If you are like me and you don't have the special tool, you can either use something like this and this, or a screwdriver. And you have two options: either go one by one, or you knock or grab into one hard and just keep pushing through it. Make sure to take a picture of how everything is connected so you don't misalign anything. Again, just an advice: before you pull it out, make sure that you take plenty of pictures and what goes where. They made it really tight in there. To pull it out, that was tricky too. No one explains that. You have to press this green release in and then pull out the plug. Here's the pump. It's already out of the tank. Hey, thanks for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful to you. If so, if you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.